वेरी एक्साइटेड, हमें बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला है गाने पे. सुपर एक्साइटेड टू शो पीपल द ट्रेलर. एक मोशन पोस्टर निकाला था, उसमें थोड़ी बहुत कहानी दिखती है आपको. तो पीपल हैव फाउंड दैट वेरी इंट्रीगिंग, और होपफुली ये इंट्रीग बढ़ता रहेगा और लोगों को कहानी पसंद आएगी और ट्रेलर पसंद आएगा. एनीथिंग एल्स? हमारे प्रोड्यूसर साहब यहाँ में हैं.
हाँ,
बहुत एक्साइटेड है. जिम से आए हैं. अभी इन्होंने वेट लूज किया है पिक्चर के लिए. बार बार देखो ये बैकवर्ड्स जा रहे हैं.
लूज की है.
मैंने थोड़ा बड़ा होने की कोशिश करी. ये यंग हो रहे हैं. ही इज लुकिंग 25 नाउ इंस्टेड ऑफ 45.
अभी वो पिक्चर में क्लिप आते हैं ना, फॉरवर्ड रिवाइंड बैक, तो उसमें क्लिप से देख लेना.
सो मैं सुपर एक्साइटेड फॉर द ट्रेलर. हाँ, अभी सब लोग आ रहे हैं. वी हैव कॉल्ड ऑल द पीपल टू सी द ट्रेलर. उनका रिस्पांस देखेंगे एंड देन आई विल बी राइट हियर चैटिंग विद यू गाइस. आप बताइए, आप कुछ करना चाहते हैं मेरे साथ? कुछ प्लान्स है आपके? हाँ जी, ऑफ कोर्स करण जौहर जी प्रोड्यूसर है इस पिक्चर के, तो उन्होंने ट्रेलर देखा है. ट्रेलर साहब ने हेल्प भी करी है, बनाया है. पूरी टीम है. एक्सेलेंट धर्मा प्रोडक्शंस की को प्रोडक्शन है. तो आज सारी टीम आएगी, देखेगी हमारे साथ. आई थिंक करण सर आज बिजी हैं, शूट कर रहे हैं, तो वो शायद नहीं आ पाएंगे. हाँ जी, हाँ जी. मेरे को डिशम देखने को नहीं मिली. मैंने बहुत अच्छी चीज़ सुना है वरुण की परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में, पिक्चर के बारे में. होपफुली देखने का मौका मिलेगा इस प्रमोशन के बाद. हाँ, बोथ ऑफ हु? मेरे एब्स और किसके? अच्छा, मेरे और कटरीना में मेरे तो कोई कंपटीशन ही नहीं है. आई थिंक कटरीना इज वे फिटर इन दिस सॉन्ग देन मी. आई हैव लकीली नॉट शोन एनी एब्स इन बार बार देखो. बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट कहानी है. येस, आई थिंक फ्रेश पेयरिंग. मी एंड कटरीना कैफ फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. लव स्टोरी है, एक हाई कॉन्सेप्ट कहानी है. इट्स नेवर बीन डन बिफोर हिंदी फिल्म में, कि जहाँ पे आप व्हाट इफ़ यू कुड सी द फ्यूचर ऑफ योर लव. एंड अभी मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बताना चाहता पिक्चर के बारे में. आप ट्रेलर देखेंगे, आपको समझ आएगा. टाइम ट्रैवल पिक्चर नहीं है. एंड आई थिंक बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग रोल था, बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग पिक्चर है, एक अलग नैरेटिव है. सो होपफुली लोगों को हंसी भी आएगी, प्यार भी होगा और मज़ा भी आएगा. How do I celebrate Raksha Bandhan? Actually, unfortunately, in my family back home in Delhi, we do not celebrate Raksha Bandhan because something unfortunate happened in multiple years. So we do actually Tika. We do that. हाँ जी, we're going for the Dream Team tour. पहली बार I think 8 stars एक साथ जा रहे हैं US tour के लिए. हम लोग 6 cities करेंगे इस महीने. एंड सुपर एक्साइटेड फॉर इट. अब बहुत मेहनत से हम रिहर्स कर रहे हैं लोगों के लिए. स्किट्स कर रहे हैं, डांसिंग होगा, मस्ती होगी, पुराने नए गाने होंगे. सो यार, रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू गोइंग एंड एंटरटेनिंग द US. वेलकमिंग आवर डायरेक्टर नित्या मेहरा. हाँ जी, हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब. यस,
This is Nitya's first film. It doesn't look like. It doesn't.
Yeah.
She's my spokesperson. I'm Nitya's spokesperson.
इनकी फिटनेस के बारे में आपको भी इनका जगह समझ चाहिए आपको.
You know, I think we're all really excited about our trailer today. We've just shown it to some of our friends in the media, and we've got an amazing response so far. And we're all really excited for everyone else to see it tomorrow. I think it's going online, or it's going to be out. I think at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Yes. And I think everyone's just made this film with a lot of love. We've all put our heart into it, our soul. Nitya's hard work, Nitya's talent.
It's fun.
And yeah,
it's new.
And we have these
unique.
two gorgeous people.
We put a little bit of work into our bodies as well, just a little bit.
Sharina, fitness will be the talk of the. I mean, you will be the talk of the town as far as fitness goes. So, how difficult?
It has more than fitness.
There's a lot more than fitness.
Yeah, I know that. I mean, we'll come to that. Yeah.
Okay, come talk about your diet. क्या खाया आपने शूट के दिन में? What did you eat?
I mean, if you're gonna, I think there was a portion in the film where Nitya wanted a very different look to the rest of the film, for a reason which you will come to know when you see the film. So for that, we just kind of decided that let's really, get really fit and cool down.
She gave up water.
And I gave up a lot of nice things in life.
Salt. Carbs.
A few other things.
Because she's a passionate, disciplined human
Passionate,
being.
disciplined actor.
Passionate, disciplined human being.
Training.
That's why.
What? She didn't walk in the sand because of the wind was too. Wind was blowing. She even avoided sand blowing into her face. Sandstorms. She's very particular about her skin and her water intake.
So now, what happened to you in the film?
What happened to me in the film? lots has happened to me and my character in the film. That is the film. You see what happens to this man's life, and he goes through a journey. That is the new USP of the film that we're trying to show. That what if you could see the future of your love, and the things the mistakes that you made, or the opportunities that you have lost or you get, is very difficult to say it in one line. But I think once you guys see the trailer, you get a glimpse of what the film is about. But we have lots more to offer, and yeah, hopefully you guys will be super excited.
I think basically it's Karan Johar actually kind of described it in a really, really special way for me when he said that it's basically a really new age love story. It's kind of a love story in a way which we've not seen in a really long time. And I think we're just kind of hoping people come and connect to it the way that we did when we heard the narration.
You know, you are very close. You know, how do you work your chemistry together?
How do we work our chemistry together?
Just don't fight, play nicely, try not to
professional
poke each other
actors.
in the eyes, try not to hit each other, share the center of the stage.
If she doesn't know.
That I will think you said that.
Exactly. In the round table, इनको अभी तो multiple cameras है. She doesn't know where the center is, so she's still standing here. If there was only one camera, I would have been here and she would have been in the center. So I introduced Katrina to a duet song.
We love each other.
Yes.
Okay, and do you guys actually fear aging? Because हमने जो trailer में देखा है, मतलब ऐसे in real life.
Not at all. I loved being aged in this film. I've
Yeah,
gone
he
through
really
20 to
did.
60. We sat for 5 hours of makeup and then we shot for 8 hours. So
But they're aging backwards. Huh? Everybody loves that.
Yeah.
Nobody will say how old you are. They're getting younger
Yeah,
in the film.
exactly.
So उल्टा जा रहे हैं.
Oh, we had an amazing team who worked on the film. We actually had an Oscar. I mean, a team that has actually
Mark
won
Julio.
2 Oscars. So it was just an amazing experience to be part of that process.
सिद्धार्थ, कटरीना, आप दोनों से जानना चाहेंगे, प्रोमो में शादी से सिद्धार्थ भाग रहे हैं और आप शादी प्रपोज कर रही हैं बार-बार.
Real life में ऐसे ही होते हैं.
Real life में आप शादी को लेकर कितना भागते हैं या
So in real life, I'm not really running behind Siddharth to marry me.
Of
But
course.
I mean, if I did, I don't know what he'd say.
real life, nobody's running after anybody to get married. But I think beyond that, but in the film, I think it's far more interesting, and you'll realize that, I mean, there's a reason why this character does not know what is happening in his life. Because एक important journey पे जाता है, उस journey को इसको पता नहीं कि कैसे वो जर्नी शुरू हुई, उसका पर्पस क्या है, और पिक्चर के एंड में उसको समझ आता है कि क्या पर्पस था उसका. And yeah, I think that's what again one of the USPs of the film.
Nitya, you know, at script level, this film looks very complex because this travels in different time zones and everything.
Yeah.
So how difficult was it for you to bring everything in one place? Because this is your debut film and it seems to be very challenging. So how difficult was it for you?
I think it is complex, but that's what was so exciting about it. I wouldn't take out something that's so simple, otherwise I'd be boring. But also, I think the beauty of the film lies in how we've just packaged it in an interesting way, but actually it's a very, very, very simple story. It's a beautiful story about love and life, and it's simple and sweet, very understandable. It's not like it's some sci-fi time travel film at
Yes.
all. And it's really about the small moments in life, and if you don't pay attention, your life will pass you by and not much will be left.
Nitish, how did the association with Dharmak happen for this film?
How did it happen?
Yeah.
I think it's I remember, like I've said this in the round table, you've seen it, that Karan ने जब script पढ़ी थी, we had sent it to Siddharth and we've been wanting to work together, both of us. Karan and me wanting to work and collaborate. And उसने जब script पढ़ी, actually उसने मुझे एक चीज़ बताई कि ये script उनके पास गई थी and उन्हें बहुत पसंद आई थी. And he said, actually this is the movie I wanted to direct, you know. But I said you can always come on board and we'll make it together, because we've been finding the right script to collaborate, and we found that in Baar Baar Dekho. So it's been wonderful to work with him, Apurva and the entire team.
Siddharth, the line of the song says, आँखों को तेरी आदत है, तू न दिखे तो शिकायत है.
अरे वाह,
Correct. क्या
वाह,
बात है,
वाह,
आपने बड़ा ध्यान से सुना.
हाँ.
So real life में अगर हुआ है तो कैसे हुआ है, कब हुआ है और किससे हुआ है?
वही मैं गा रहा हूँ कि कब हुआ, कैसे हुआ, ये हो कैसे गया.
Sorry, I just want to do some
You guys
crunches
know.
and come back.
Yeah.
Katrina, I was asking Siddharth, the lines of the song go something like this. आँखों को तेरी आदत है, तू न दिखे तो शिकायत है. तो आपके रियल लाइफ में कभी कुछ ऐसा हुआ है तो कैसे डील किया है आपने?
I'm sorry that you're going to have to explain what you mean by that.
The lines of the song go something like this.
No,
Again, real
I
life
know
में
that. I know the line. She knows the line.
So-
I was singing
so
them,
the
but
question is, has it happened to you ever to you in
In
real
real
life?
life.
I'm sure it has. How have you dealt with it? And
प्यार तो हर किसी को है ना रियल लाइफ में. We're talking about love.
Have you been in
Yeah,
love
yeah.
ever?
This is the most confident way of asking.
इतना घूम फिर के पूछा पिक्चर का अच्छा तूने गाना प्लग इन किया
I think your question
इसने
is
marketing
more
plug-in किया।
complicated than the movie.
आंसर दे दो।
100 आसमान जो
Far
हमारा
more complicated.
हाँ,
No, but Katrina,
100 आसमान हमारे पिक्चर के गाने की बात कर रहा है हाँ just to plug it in
I think
and
when
have you fallen in love yes
have you
have we fallen in love? I don't know. Have we all
we मतलब,
experienced
yeah.
love in our life? Yes, of course.
But this film is like that. Everyone comes and falls
But
in
no,
love.
what
It's
happens-
been very
Exactly.
No, Katrina,
loving.
what happens when someone becomes the apple of your eye and he becomes a habit and then suddenly he goes out? So, I mean, how do you deal with that?
Wow.
But I think you'll have to watch the movie for that.
Yes.
How do you deal
I
with
think you'll
that?
have to watch
I
the
think-
movie. अभी आप ट्रेलर में ये सब पूछ रहे हो
उसके लिए एक
अभी
और
film
गाना है।
देखने के बाद क्या
बेहतरीन
पूछोगे
ट्रेलर था इसलिए
उस
I have your answer. You
उस
go to the
situation
gym
के लिए
and
एक
you
और
do some
गाना है।
crunches. That's
नहीं
how you
उसके
deal
लिए
with
आपको
it.
फिल्म देखनी पड़ेगी
नहीं
उसके लिए
खैर
आपको वो
मंगनी
जवाब आपको फिल्म में मिलेगा
Do you enjoy your work
I think it just was a script that I was able to connect to, and I think me and Nitya really she gave me something which I believed in, and I think that when that synergy happens is when a character becomes more full of life.
Okay,
So
last
I
तो
think-
एक सेकंड भैया ही हैज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन
लास्ट क्वेश्चन आपने बोला
वो तो ग्रैंड फिनाले सर सर एकदम
ग्रैंड
Grand
फिनाले
finale.
Katrina, Siddharth, the dream team is going to US. Everyone is really excited. Tell us something more about the performance. Warren said that he would be creating Kuch Kuch Hota Hai from with Ali and Parniti. What kind of dances can we expect from you guys?
Kala Chashma.
Kala Chashma, guys.
Okay.
Kala Chashma.
and lots more guys बहुत चीजें old
अरे
song
आपने
new
ट्रेलर
songs
देखा आपने एक और गाना नहीं देखा उसमें
हाँ
That's it. क्या हो गया यार
चलो different और dream team।
चलो चलो चलो
आखिरी ग्रैंड सवाल आपका वो आपके एंगल से ही परेशान है क्योंकि आप दिख ही नहीं रहे कटरीना जी आप बताइए।
जी
Karan and Farhan are not here.
where are they okay so Karan is I think shooting for which show that Siddharth
झलक दिखला जा
and today is the last day of Rock
Rock
On
On.
shoot it's the last day we wrap the movie
So we have
so
to
Farhan's over
wish
there
Rock On
shooting
to all the
Yes.
best.
Yes.
But they here in spirit. We have to thank Krish for arranging the coolers today.
for coolers
वो
Yeah,
cool,
we
yes.
were standing in
There
front of the
AC.
coolers the whole time.
they are all complaining
आप ही बैठे
I'll
cool
tell
AC
you
में
what,
बाकी को हवा नहीं
you
आ रही
should
है
tell this to everybody who organizes I don't this when I come in for some other movie you can't ask me where are the coolers na? It's not my responsibility but no
Okay,
property
that's
is not mine
very interesting question. Thank
Yeah.
you very much. Thank you so much.
So, yeah.